Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can pick a date in our Android application. After clicking this button, the application will ask to pick a date, and after pressing the OK button, the user will also get a toast message. So let's start it. So create a new project. Go with empty activity. Finish. Go to the XML layout file. Change the text view element hello world to pick a date. Now go to design tab. Add a button to your project. Margin top 8. Now go to text tab. Add on click listener. Show date picker. Now press Alt plus enter. Now right click on work.pickDate, new, fragment blank, uncheck all the checks. Date, fragment, finish. Remove everything from this fragment. Extend to dialog fragment. Also implements date picker dialog dot on date set listener. Now press Alt plus enter. Implement methods. Okay. Now before writing code in this method, override another method. Override public dialog on create dialog bundle saved instance state. Add final calendar c is equal to calendar dot get instance and year c dot get calendar dot year. Now we also need month, so add int month equals to c dot get calendar dot month. Now for the day, add int day is equal to c dot get calendar day of month. Now return new date picker dialog, get activity, add this as listener, add year, month and day. Now go to onDateSet method. add main activity equals to main activity get activity. Now activity dot process date picker result. We'll add this method in the main activity and pass year, month and day. Now click on process date picker result, press Alt plus enter and again press enter. Now first add code to show date picker method. Add dialog fragment, new fragment, equals to new date fragment. Now new fragment dot show, pass get support fragment manager and also add a tag date picker. Now go to process date picker result method. Add some strings here. String month string equals to integer dot to string month plus 1 to start it from first month. Again add another string day string equals to integer dot to string and pass day. Again string year string equals to integer dot to string pass year. Now combine them all in one string called string date message equals to month string plus day string plus year string semicolon. Now add a toast message, toast dot make text, pass this as a context, then date and date message as a message, then toast dot length short dot show. Now run the application. Now click on button. You can select date from here, change year and month, and after clicking OK, you'll get the toast message here.